Ilang ano yan?
DOP to give money.
Hindi. DOE to give money.
Okay, last chat. 1 minute.
Pero eh.
Paano natin talagang
Siyempre, kuha ka sa ano, then papasok.
pero random lang yun. Hindi.
Pero ang
Ayun
rumor
nga eh.
maraming
Kaya
ginagawa.
nga eh. Nung kulang lang. Problema yun, di ba?
Ang nilagay namin, yung monitoring yung ano, tracker. Yan, sa amin. Ito yung monitoring.
So, ang dapat mag-monitor nun, hindi lang monitoring,
Okay, that was it.
Ano sir, okay ba? Okay. Ganda yung gimmick nyo ah. Big talaga.
Ladies and gentlemen, papaalisin tayo dito pag whether we finish the workshop or not. So let's pay attention so we can continue and finish our program. We can see, nakita ko na a lot of people put their issues that fall under finances and resources under immediate by August 2008, no? So siya yung pinakapunong-puno. Tingnan na sabi niyo, di ba?
monitor nila. Kung sino yun, halimbawa, kung sino yung kumpanya ng bahay dito.
Ang nakikita ko may mga it says inadequate incentives on alternative fuel use. Maybe some of these things actually fall under mechanics and processes. Like for instance, this one, no? Banda ko eh. Yung naglagay ng inadequate incentive, non-fiscal on alternative fuels, they think it should fall under process and mechanics rather than financial resources. Kasi ang kailangan natin dyan, law, no? So that would fall under process and mechanics. Okay, this is what this is. May pahabol. Insufficient information campaign advocacy on. Ano yan?
Tapos na yung mechanics. Lagay namin dyan.
On the benefit of biofuel, so that falls under learning and growth. Okay, may mga pahabol. Green of Filipino scientists and inventors. So, sa palagay niyo po ba yan ay short term, immediate, na problema?